Very continue. What's your face like that?
Yeah, happy birthday, mommy.
Happy birthday, mommy. Woo. What do we have here? Just a little. Ah. A little later because it's still hot. So yummy.
First, put this. Then,
I get a lot naman.
yeah,
Okay.
blow it. Then, slurp. Yeah. If you slurp it really well, it means you really like it. They will say to you, you love the food.
You know why am I doing it slow? So I can get the soup in the noodle.
Happy birthday, mommy.
Happy birthday, Mommy!
We love you so much.
Mommy! Anyong? Whoa! Whoa, Daddy!
Dami, ang galing.
Let's go to Hong Kong and go here and eat. The ramen is so good. So, it's so good. So yummy. Arigato. Thank you. Ano yun? I have a lot of family here. Mommy, Daddy, Tita Ish, and me. Tomorrow we're going to Disneyland. At malili ko muna ako mamaya.
Yeah.